Hi, this is Ed Hill with Masters Roofing Memphis. I'm just giving you a quick look at a beautiful exterior job we did in East Memphis. We removed the exterior siding, repaired the wood rot, installed new siding, and repainted the house. It looks great. The homeowner is thrilled, and we're not even done yet. We're going to install a brand new gutter system and also some energy efficient replacement windows. If you would like help with home exterior, call me, Ed Hill, Masters Roofing Memphis, 901-273-6594. We will show up, give you an estimate. If we earn your business, we will do the work, get it done, and get out of your way. Thank you. And as always, remember John 3:16.